Hi, welcome to Alan Chong Idea Art. Today I want to talk about the principle of art. Today I hope you will watch this video until finish how I use cat as a main visual represent the principle of art. I believe an interesting illustration will create an effect and to help convey the artist's intent. The principles of art and designs are balance, contrast, emphasis, movement, pattern, rhythm, and unity or harmony. The use of this principle can help determine whether a painting is successful and whether or not the painting is finished. The artist decides what principle of art he or she wants to use in a painting, while an artist may not use all the principles of design in one piece. Balance can be achieved in three different ways. Symmetry, in which both sides of a composition have the same elements in the same position, as in a mirror image, or the two sides of a face. Asymmetry, in which the composition is balanced due to the contrast of any of the elements of art. For example, a large cat on one side of a composition may be balanced by a small group of cats on the other side. Radial symmetry, in which elements are equally spaced around a center point, as in the cat coming out of the half of a circle. Contrast or emphasis is the difference between elements of art in a composition, such that each element is made stronger in relation to the other. When placed next to each other, contrasting elements command the viewer's attention. Negative or positive space is an example of contrast. Placed side by side is an example of contrast. Emphasis is when the artist creates an area of the composition that is visually dominant and commands the viewer's attention. This is often achieved by contrast. Movement is the result of using the elements of art such that they move the viewer's eye around and within the image. A sense of movement can be created by diagonal or curving lines, either real or implied, by edges, by the illusion of space, by repetition, by energetic mark making. Pattern is the uniform repetition of any of the elements of art or any combination thereof. Anything can be turned into a pattern through repetition. Rhythm is created by movement implied through the repetition of elements of art in a non-uniform but organized way. It is related to rhythm in music. Unlike pattern, which demand consistency, rhythm relies on variety. Harmony and unity is an important principle of design that gives the artworks a sense of cohesion and coherence. It is the wholeness or completeness of a picture. Unity and harmony in art are used by artists to tie a composition together and help the composition make sense as a whole piece of art. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For those still not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, please click it now. I will continue make a good video for you. Write down your comment. Give me your suggestion. Goodbye. See you again.